Alright, this is our shenanigans for a helicopter tug of war. Alright,
Yeah.
Oh shit! Wait! Wait! Chill. Uh-oh. And the helicopter and ATV are from a 454 SS. Oh shit!
Oh, no.
Ow!
Yo, I'm gonna lift you.
Well, that ended very fast. We literally just started.
Hold up.
Hold up, damn it! I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
I'm coming.
What the hell? What the
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I back up. You said you need a parachute. I thought you meant. I think you mean a fucking scuba gear. I can't get out. Michael! I've never used this. I've never used this thing before. I don't know how to get
There's
out.
a giant door. Come down here.
Oh, there it is. I was trying to find it. Okay. Let's go. Oh, I think I got the one that controls it. Oh, maybe you do.
I do.
So I may or may not need a health pack because I have like no health. All you're seeing is my screen is
No,
gray.
the helicopter's gonna eat us. Ow, my forehead!
That's a problem. Oh, there we go.
Let me close the floor before you hop off.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Okay, I'm good. Alright, let's see if we can lift up my airplane helicopter. I kind of forgot. No, whatever. Alright, go. Bring back to shore. We'll repair it.
Alright.
Or just drain. That works too. Oh, we're coming down too. I mean, it worked for a matter of, I don't know, minute.
Alright, let's bring it to the beach.
Is there like a heavy lift? Oh shit! Or you're going down.
Oh,
The rope snapped.
oh.
Whatever. That's fine.
Whatever. Let's get the ATV.
We're sponsored. We got a million of these helicopters. We're sponsored.
Oh yeah.
Totally.
Sponsored by 454 or 454. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yes. Goddamn right. I thank you. I'll be on my way. And you landed.
Maybe get scuba gear.
Yeah, you think? I love that you said maybe get a parachute as I fall into the ocean. Well, I mean, there's probably no scuba gear on. That'll be kind of funny. Yeah, not really.
Flip this ATV.
What? Chill. Oh god. You and your flares. I don't know.
I love flares.
I don't, cause it's like a flashbang and never. Oh. Yeah, it's fine. I play. How do that? Oh. Oh my god, what is happening?
Go down.
I know, I'm trying to get my tail to like the part. Maybe we should make it longer so I don't die. Oh, I mean, I probably will, but still.
On your brakes.
Brakes! There we go. I kind of, yeah, they don't really work the greatest. I'm still, okay. Rotor clutch off. Alright. Dude dies again. Probably gonna be me. But it's fine.
I'll try to rescue you.
Yeah, I know.
Let me close your door before you die.
Go up.
Let me turn my rotor clutch at least.
Oh shit! Oh, your propellers! Rotors. Alright, let's go this way.
Okay.
We got delivered Trump his ATV. Maybe we could put it in the ocean or something. I don't know.
Why do we need 2 helicopters for this?
I don't know.
I bet we can put the ATV in the helicopters.
What's the fun in that? We gotta make content, right? We need to make content. Where are
Yeah,
you
so
going?
I should fly up and hit
I'm-
you.
No! Oh shit! Oh no! I'm just dying for some reason. No, why? Not
I'm pulling
again.
you up.
Not again. Tails of turn. Get over here.
Uh-uh.
Oh no!
No!
We're both.
Oh, yeah! No wonder I said I left my door open. How about we leave the ATV? We have to rescue the ATV.
Okay. Oh my god, the flash! Oh, oh, that was funny.
You respawn my helicopter.
I'll have to watch the footage on that again because that was funny. Oh, you got rid of it.
ATV! Right. I'm coming!
Alright, go put it in the ocean somewhere.
Okay.
Not the rock wall. Go! Look at him go! I don't have binoculars. Go! Okay. Ow. Oh, god.
Okay, I
That.
got one of our.
Whose is that? Oh, yours.
No, I'll take it.
How are we gonna, like, we're gonna have to, like, somehow, like, altitude hold so the tail is, like, underwater so we can attach to the quad or something.
I know what to do.
Okay.
I'll go get it.
I'll try not kamikaze you.
What do you mean by that?
My rudder dies and I fall onto you or something, I don't know. So something
I
like
don't know
that.
how the first time when you died, I don't know how I was in the air.
Yeah, the first time, what even happened? Good thing I was recording, so I could watch the footage.
Yeah, I think I've lost the ATV.
That was fast.
I'm gonna rescue it.
Okay. On my way. My god, what? Oh yeah, it is gone. Where the hell did it go?
Where the?
Oh, I
I
see it
see
on the map. I see it on the map. So like all the way over here.
I see it.
Okay, why the lag all of a sudden? What the heck? Oh, I see it now. How the heck are we supposed to hook onto that? I mean, maybe the floor hatch, maybe?
I know what to do. Scoots my gooch over there.
Already over here. I'll do it.
2 nut jobs try to rescue an ATV.
Yep. God damn.
Oh, no haircuts, please!
Look at us just book. Spider-Man.
Grab this.
What? Oh. I mean, yeah, I mean, that'll probably work, yeah.
Oh, God! Die!
Well, don't.
I lost my connection. Oh.
Let me get some. Let me get the rope. I'll be back.
Okay, I have a million things on my screen. I can't see.
Get on.
I can't see. Yeah, how do I get rid of this?
Get rid of what?
I got more things on my screen now.
What's happening?
The leaderboard. How the hell did I get rid of it?
Oh, Oh, just like the
Found it.
How you getting on?
Go.
Get on.
What?
The helicopters are
Shifting.
I thought I put altitude. Hold on. I put out. What the hell? Hold. Oh god. Okay, we're good. For now. Alright. Give me rope. Actually, what I should also do. Let's. Floor hatch. Lower that down.
Got it.
That's so I can get. Oh, it's really far. I mean, alright, going down. Wee. No! Back up! Let me get a rope on it. Let me get a rope on it. It wouldn't be tug of war if we. Hey, chill. So there might be a little bit of water damage on his ATV, but it wasn't our fault. It was Ocean's fault.
Yo, I was just spawn a tsunami. Yo, I spawned a tornado.
No. Alright, let's go. I just realized our wind slings are probably a lot different, so we're probably gonna die. I mean, yeah, we're gonna die no matter what, but still. Alright, let's go deliver.
Where?
I don't know. Mainland. Ocean, I don't know. Doesn't matter to me.
How have we not collided? Is my question.
What do you mean we do collide all the time? Actually, no, we don't. Wait, actually, yeah, we haven't. Yeah, we actually haven't. Wait, what? That's shocking.
We just pulled the thing, and then one of us went into the water and dragged the other person down.
I know, we do like a whip. It's funny.
How has this rope gone through our blades and not got chopped?
Oh my god!
I'm trying to pull up.
Pull up! I'll pull up for you.
Man!
Actually, it's probably good that we're not connected to like the tail, so when we do like a backflip maneuver, it's in like the middle of our helicopter. Oh god, tug war. Chill. I just realized your rope's a lot longer than mine. Hey, hey, chill.
I'm trying to go up.
What
There's
is
like 3 hands for this.
Oh!
There's a tsunami.
I think there's a really big change when like it's not on the tail. I almost drank it. Chill. Other clouds hit me. No, what are you doing?
Oh.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing? I'll save you.
How about we get some good altitude? Let's go up. Let's go above the clouds.
Hey, just in case we fold like this. That was close. Quit trying to kill me. Chill.
We're going
chill.
up.
Chill. Hey, chill.
Let's go above water and go up.
Oh god. Yeah, we're gonna. I don't have my scuba suit.
We got a parachute.
It won't matter if we plummet to the water to our death.
Yeah, this rope is so good. It has not got snapped in the rotor blades. I'm gonna whip you. I'm gonna whip you.
No.
I'm gonna whip you.
Wait.
How the hell are we still in the air?
I don't know. Probably because we're not like it's not on the tail. Oh! One is not on the tail, and 2, it's also very long. Oh.
Is this what Stormworks wanted us to do?
Nope, I think it was made for rescuing people that are dying while over here we're playing tug of war with. Oh my god!
Bro really said no flip. Yeah, I'll do.
Come on!
I'm trying to go up.
What do you yeah, sure. There you go. Oh, wait. Oh,
What a bitch.
chill! Oh! It's like a centimeter away from your rotors.
We should be good.
Do what? Do a flip?
Damage is on.
Oh, shit, that's a bad idea. Oh, man, that's why we haven't died yet. Oh my god! 360!
Is vehicle damage on, or did you turn it off?
Around the world, around the world, around the world, around the world.
Skip it.
What is going on? I'm just spinning. Oh, the
I'm
quads.
really close by floor hatch.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why is it open?
Tug of war, here we go.
You've been falling out of the sky a little bit.
Tug of war.
I think it's a lot funner if it was on the tail, because we actually like do a flip. Oh.
Yeah, that's land.
Oh. I'll show you how to land. It's called rotor clutch. Whee! Oh no! I'm in a dive bomb. Uh oh. Rotor clutch. Huh? That was interesting. The quad's about to land on top of me. Quad, chill. Okay,
Damn.
broken.
I disconnected on accident.
Oh, and now I can kill you with the quad. Oh.
That means I can fly away in peace.
Aw. Do a flip. Aw.
Wait.
Do a flip. Oh.
Yo, what happens if you do click
Ow.
rotor clips?
Oh. Oh, back up. Help me. How does that quad not have a scratch on that? How? I mean, rotor clutch is the thing that does whenever you saw me like fall out of the sky. Yeah, that's what it does. Click it. Click it. Oh. Okay, well, I'm gonna end it there. Bye, guys.